What's up? What's poppin'? How you doing? In today's video, we have another shoe unboxing. If you guys didn't see my last video, I just unboxed the Off-White Jordan 4s.
It was so sick.
You should check it out after this video, but for now, we are unboxing this Panda Twist Jordan 1. Excited for this. This is really like a TikTok shoes right now. On this specific shoe right here, we actually collaborated with JEANSNEAKER.com. They're also so sweet and so nice, so if you guys want to check them out, I will leave their information down below. And of course, I'm not gonna forget about you guys. We do have a coupon code, which is NZM right here, right there.
And let's save you some moolah.
And like I said, right here, they have sent us a replica of Panda Twist Jordan 1. This kind of video that I make with replica stuff, this could be a benefit and also just a heads up for you. Let's just open it. I cannot wait. But before that though, if you guys are new here in my channel, hi, my name is Mikey and I post videos every single week, so make sure to hit that subscribe button. You already know where it is. Let's open it. As you guys can see, it also came in a FedEx Express. This also took 2 weeks till I got this shoe. I like destroying the plastic bags. Ooh, this looks familiar. Oh my gosh, here it is. Another shoe. Alright, okay. Wow, this box right here is really well taken care of. You guys know we love some bubble wraps because it takes care of our shoe boxes. I mean, I'm not gonna resell these, but you know, I want a nice box. Wow, wow, wow. Look at this box, you guys. That's crazy. Let me grab a real box right there and I'll show you the difference. Alrighty, so here's my box for my Jordan 1 Light Smoke Gray right here, which is 100% authentic. And as you guys can see, the tag right there is very long. And also, I did put that sticker right there. I just thought it was a good idea. I saw a boutique that was selling all kinds of Jordan 1 stickers and I was like, you don't have to read the title right there. You just have to look at the sticker and that is the box. And so yeah, anyways, so yeah, I was just saying that this right here brings up a red flag for me, but the back right here looks exactly the same. Like, what? This looks big because I think they sent me a size 10. It's USA size 10. I am not a size 10. Just a commercial break. I just want to let you know that I just unboxed this Off-White Jordan 4s on my last video, so if you guys want to check that out, go check it out. Alright, let's see if they actually gave me a size 10 because that is not my size and I would be so sad. Oh! Wow! Look at this. These replicas are really stepping up their game. Are you serious right now? Are you serious? They did give me a size 10. Alright, I just want to check it real quick if this fits me or it is like obnoxiously big. Okay. It is roomy, but I think I can work it out. I said 8.5 in women's. Why? In real life, I think this is kind of a size 9. So if you guys are gonna order to them, make sure to give it a little room. So order like a half size compared to your original size. Because usually size 10 to me is like humongous. But this one, it kind of fits, but it has a little room, you know? Alrighty guys, this sneakers right here was actually released in May 2019. So this had a retail price of $160, but right now resellers are actually reselling these for around $800, which is a lot of money. Crazy to me, but I see why. It is such a nice combo. The texture is nice, and this material right here is not your regular leather material. It's like this hard metal material, and look at those stitching right there. It's so nice and crisp. This is what the bottom soles looks like. It's just a regular black bottoms. We do have a soft leather right here. This is what the tongue looks like. And this is what the inside looks like. This is too good for a replica. Even the inside. As you guys can see, the main color of this shoe is black and white, which is amazing because you can wear them in a lot of styles. I cannot wait to rock this baby right here. Alrighty guys, I guess it's time. Here goes the montage. not gonna forget, here's what it looks like on our feet.
Still not understanding this logic. Hey, I'm back and I'm better. I want you bad as ever. Don't let me just let up. I wanna give you better. Baby, it's whatever. Somebody gotta step up. And then somebody so messed up. Be damned if I let them catch up. It's easy to see that you're fitter. I am on a whole nother level. Really, he fucked you over cause you let him. Fucking girl, I guess he didn't know any better. Girl, that man didn't show any ever. Do all I can just to show you you're special. Certain it's your love that holds me together. You say he been killing the vibe. Gotta be sick of this guy. Pull up skirt, get in the right. Left hand is steering, the other is gripping the thigh. Light up a spliff and get high. Shawty, you deserve what you've been missing. Looking at you, I'm thinking he must be tripping. Play this song for him, tell him just listen.
And that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give it a like if you like it. Also subscribe if you haven't. Like I said before, thank you guys so much for supporting me. I mean, I wouldn't get these kind of products if you guys aren't watching my videos. So thank you guys so much. Today's shout out goes to you. Thank you so much for commenting. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys. Bye. Bye. Another day, another shoe unboxing.